A very good morning and namaste to everyone present in this session. I am Ravi Asrani, Master Trainer at Omni वैदिक गणित संस्थान इंदौर इंडिया. वैदिक गणित की अद्भुत दुनिया में आप सबका स्वागत है. In the last class, we have studied and learned general one-line Vedic method of straight division for dividing any number by any number. During division, when final remainder is 0 or when no remainder is left, then we say that the dividend is completely divisible by the divisor. Today we shall learn very interesting Vedic method of determining the divisibility of a particular given number, however long it may be, by a given divisor without actually dividing it. In modern math system, we have studied divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18 and so on. But when we have to check divisibility of any given number by other prime number like 7, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 41, 33, 139, 179 etc. Then in modern maths, divisibility can be checked only by whole division process. There is no other option to check divisibility. But with the help of Vedic maths, osculation method or Westernem sub formula, we can easily find whether a particular given number is completely divisible by these prime numbers without actual division. Before proceeding, let us take a look at divisibility rules applied at present to test the divisibility by conventional method. When divisor is 2, then a dividend is completely divisible only when last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. We take one example, 9926530936. It is my mobile number. Here last digit or unit place digit we found 6. So it is completely divisible by 2. To check whether a number is divisible by 3, sum of digits when divisible by 3, then the whole number will also be divisible by 3. For example, 5733. If we add up these digits, 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3, we get 18. And 18 comes in table of 3 or 18 is multiple of 3, completely divisible by 3. So 5733 is also divisible by 3. To check whether a number is divisible by 4 or not, we observe last two digits of a number. If last two digits are divisible by 4, then the dividend will also be divisible by 4. For example, 9836. Here in 9836, last two digits are 36 and 36 is completely divisible by 4. So 9836 is also divisible by 4. To check whether a number is divisible by 5, last digit of dividend should be 0 or 5. For example, 235. Here last digit is 5. So the number is divisible by 5. We take one more example, 570. Here last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 5. To check divisibility by 6, as 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So numbers should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. We take one example, 216. It is divisible by 2. By mere inspection we can find out that last digit is 6. So it is divisible by 2. And if we find sum of digits, 2 plus 1 plus 6, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 216 is a number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 216 is completely divisible by 6. Whether a number is divisible by 8, we see last 3 digits of the number. If last 3 digits divisible by 8, then the whole number is also divisible by 8. For example, 3512. Here last three digits 512 divisible by 8. So number 3512 is also divisible by 8. To check whether a number is divisible by 9, sum of digits of dividend should be equal to 9 only. We take one example here, 270945. Here if we take sum of all digits, 2 plus 7 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9. So sum of all digits is 27 here. And 27 is again 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So the number is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule for 10 is last digit of dividend should be 0. For example, 780 is divisible by 10. Divisibility rule for 11, difference of sum of odd and even place digits is either 0 or multiple of 11. For example, 14641. Here if we take alternate place digits like 1 plus 6 plus 1, we get 8. And sum of even place digits 4 plus 4 is again 8. And difference of these two is 0. So the number 14641 is divisible by 11. To check whether a number is divisible by 12, as 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So when a number is divisible by both 4 and 3, the number will also be divisible by 12. For example, 336. Here last two digits are 36 and 36 is divisible by 4. So 336 is divisible by 4. And a sum of digits 3 plus 6 is 12. And 12 is multiple of 3. So the whole number 336 is divisible by 4 and 3 both. That is divisible by 12. To check whether a number is divisible by 15, as 15 equal to product of two prime numbers 3 and 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So whenever number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then the whole number is divisible by 15 also. For example, 3135. Here we see sum of digits. Sum of digits is 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. And also last digit 5 or unit place digit 5. So this number is divisible by 5 also. So 3135 is divisible by 15. To check whether a number is divisible by 18, as 18 equal to 2 and 9. So condition of divisibility of both 2 and 9 holds here. For example, 3672. As last digit is 2, unit place digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2 only. And sum of digits 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 is again 1 plus 8 equal to 9 itself. So the whole number is divisible by 9. Vedic math sub formula Westernum, which is called osculation, is a unique concept which can easily determine the divisibility by prime numbers without actual division. There are two types of oscullators, positive and negative. Positive osculation process is applicable when divisor ends in 9. For example, 19, 29, 89 and so on. And negative osculation method is applicable when divisor ends in 1. For example, 21, 31, 41, 71 and so on. To find positive oscillator, we use Vedic math sutra ekadikena purvena, means one more than the previous. And to find negative oscillator, we use Vedic math sutra ekanyunena purvena, means one less than the previous. Oscillator of a number ending in 9 can simply be formed by dropping the last digit 9 and increasing the previous digit by 1. For example, oscillator of 19. Oscillator of 19 is 1 plus 1, 2. Oscillator of 29. Oscillator of 29 is ekadika of 29, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. Oscillator of 89 is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. We take one example. 209347 divided by 19. First of all, we find oscillator. Here oscillator is 1 plus 1 2. Or there is one more method to find oscillator. 19 plus 1 is 20. If we plus 1 to this number divide the 19, we get 20. We drop 0, then only 2 will remain. It will be a positive oscillator here. Now simply we multiply last digit of dividend by the oscillator, positive oscillator, like 7 into 2 is 14. And we leave this last digit and 8 14 to 20943. The result is 20957. Again we multiply last digit 7 by oscillator 2. 7 into 2 is 14. We delete this last digit 7 and 8 14 to remaining 2095. 2095 plus 14 is 2109. The same process is repeated again and again. Again we multiply last digit 9 by 2. 9 into 2 is 18. We simply add 18 to 210. We delete or hide this last digit 9. 210 plus 18 is 228. The same process is repeated. Last digit 8 is multiplied by 2. Oscillator 2. 8 into 2 is 16 here. We delete this last digit 8 and add 16 to remaining number 22. 22 plus 16 is 38. Here we found by mere observation we can say that 38 is divisible by 19 as 38 to the 19 to the 38. So the whole number 209437 is also divisible by 19. Oscillator of a number, if a number does not end in 9 but end in 1, 3 or 7, we multiply it by 9, 3 or 7 respectively to convert it to a number which ends in 9 and then compute oscillator. For example, if you want to take divisibility of 343 by 7, if we multiply 7 by 7, we get number ending in 9, that is 49. Oscillator of 49 is 4 plus 1 5. So we take positive oscillator 5 and do oscillation process, multiply last digit 3 of 343 by 5, we get 15. This last digit 3 is deleted and 15 is added to 34. 34 plus 15 is 49. And as we know, 49 is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. So the whole number 343 is also divisible by 7. Now we study concept of negative oscillator for numbers ending in 1 like 21, 31, 41, 71 and so on. If we subtract 1 from 21, we get 20 and we find negative oscillator is 2 here. If we subtract 1 from 31, the answer is 30. So negative oscillator is 3 only. Leaving 0 or dropping 0, the digit remain will be a negative oscillator. 41 minus 1, we use here ek nyunena purvena. We subtract 1 from the number. 41 minus 1 is 40. So negative oscillator is 4 only. For 71, 71 minus 1 is 70. So negative oscillator is 7 only. We take one example here. If we want to divide 84651 by 21. First of all, we find oscillator. As we know, 21 minus 1 is 20. So negative oscillator is 2 only. We do the oscillation process as earlier, but here we found negative oscillator. So in place of addition, Here we use subtraction always. Last digit of 846511 is multiplied by oscillator 2. 1 into 2 is 2. We hide this last digit or delete this last digit 1, and 2 is subtracted from 8465 to get 8463. Again we repeat the same process, multiplying last digit 3 by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. This 6 is subtracted from remaining 846. 846 minus 6 is 840. Last digit is 0. This unit place 0 is multiplied by oscillator 2 to get 0. 0 is subtracted from 84. 84 minus 0 is 84. Again we take last digit or ones place digit 4 multiplied by negative oscillator 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 is subtracted by remaining digit. 4 is deleted and 8 is subtracted from 8 only. We get 8 minus 8 is 0. So whenever last remainder is 0 only or divisor itself, then the number will be completely divisible by that divisor. Here we come to 0 in the end. So 84651 is completely divisible by 21. Isn't it interesting? Thank you.